Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to create a Yelp business account and page. Let's get started. First go to yelp.com and click on Yelp for Business up here. Then click Add a Business. This will lead you to a new tab where you have to create a new account. You can also choose to use your Apple or Google accounts to continue. Next, another tab will open here where you can put in your name, email address, and password. But you can also choose again to continue with Google. Next, you will start creating your business account by providing your business name, an active business phone number, then more details like your business address, web address if your business has a website, and categories your business belongs to. Then, just click on Add Business down here, then wait for Yelp moderators to approve your business. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.